This is a Remy video.
Oh shit. What the fuck? What the fuck?
My dishwasher here. As my dad would call this is a scouring pad right here. This is a sponge, this is a scouring. My dad's a boomer. My mom's name is Karen.
Lovely mix. Nick, are you okay? Oh my god! It looks like you fucking shaved instead. You should have grabbed like a whole bunch and then just like put it over your mouth. Nick, are you okay? Ah, it looks like you're eating fucking foam. Nick's got rabies, guys. Damn, I wish it worked as I expected.
Me too.
God damn, we were hoping for Santa Claus beard. Nick, you good in there? Nick? Holy, what the fuck? Nick, are you good? Oh shit!
Bean soup.
No! No! What the fuck? What the fuck? Is that fucking toilet water?
No.
Oh yeah.
It's
bean soup! Holy shit!
Just check out knjwarrior.youtube.com.
Please do, to see this madness fully.
Oh my god, how am I gonna fucking
Fuck, guys, we just fucking... Oh, he's still going. We just... Nick? You okay?
bean soup? Also on my camera. Time to dispose of my abomination. If I drop my spoon in here, I'm gonna cry.
Is that your only spoon?
Yeah, it's my only spoon. Ew.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it looks like fucking vomit.
Oh, it looks like shit.
What shit you shit?
Oh, yeah, it's diarrhea. Vomit. That shit just fucking... Nick, you trying to get rid of the...
Can one of you guys comment down below how to clean the ring off of a bowl?
Guys, comment down below in this vlog, and if you guys know how to clean a fucking bowl off a ring. I mean a ring off... Fuck, leave me alone, dude. You fucking...
Hey, you make fun of me for my spelling.
Fine, fair. Fair enough. Guys, if you know how to clean a ring on a bowl, comment down below so Nick can clean this bowl so he can eat and help his kids.
I was the man who fell in the river in Lego City.
Oh shit.
They did not lower the lifeline and got the stretcher out.
Oh man. And they didn't build a set in time.
Hey! I don't know what to say.
Guys, Nick was being a little selfish. He realized in his newest video that he forgot to share some with Danny.
Come on, man. Come on. Here comes the airplane.
Oh my God.
Woo!
Guys, we just left for Nick to dry his clothes, and I feel like his like roommate owner is like jacking it over there.
Got you.
Gotcha. Yeah, Boner's tired too. Me too, man. Fucking, it's raining, and Nick decides, no cover up. Let me just eat fucking noodles in the rain. That's fantastic. I mean, it's
heightens the flavor.
if you watch his new fucking video, it's no surprise. He's used to eating this type of shit.
My legs are cold.
Storm life.
Storm life. College life. Woo woo.